Have you seen a notebook, gift box, or card with a bright gold or silver logo? It looks rich, it looks clean, it feels high-end. Many buyers like this finish, but many projects still fail at this step. The logo looks weak, small text breaks, the foil peels, the sample takes too long. So today, I will answer 10 must-know questions about foil stamping. I will keep it simple. This video will help you choose the right look, avoiding common mistakes, and save time in sampling and back order. Let's start. Foil stamping is a hot press. A metal model presses foil onto the surface. Heat and pressure move the foil to the paper, board, or cover. This is how a logo or title gets a bright metal look. Metallic ink is still ink. It can look nice, but it often looks softer and less bright. Foil stamping is not ink. It gives a sharper shine. It feels more premium. For a key logo or title, foil stamping often looks better. Foil stamping can work on many materials. Common ones are coated paper, uncoated paper, paperboard, hardcover wrapped, and some PU covers. Smooth surfaces often give a cleaner result. Rough or deep texture paper can look special, but small details may not look clean, so the material matters is a lot. Simple artwork is best. Clean logo work well, short words work well, bold lines work well. Very thin lines are risky. Very small gaps are risky. Thinning chef's letters are risky. Good foil art is clean, strong, and easy to read. This is a very important question. Small text can fail fast. Thin lines can break. Thinning space can close. Do not push the design too far. A slightly thick logo is often safer. A clean result is better than a fine result with risky. Always text small details on a real sample. Good feels warmer, rich, and classical. Silver feels cool, clean, and modern. The right choice depends on your brand, your base color, and your product use. Yes, you can use foil stamping with embossing, debossing, matte lamination, and other effects. This can make products look more special. But too many effects can make the design look busy. Each finish should have a job. Do not add effects just to add cost. Good design feels clean and not clouded. Common problems including poor, sticky, break lines, weak edges, lost detail, and wrong position. These problems often came from the wrong match. The art may be too fine, the paper be too rough, the heat must be too high or too low, the pressure must be wrong. Most problems can be reduced early. Check the art early. Test the real material early. Treat the sample as a real touch check. Cost does not come from foil color alone. The material mold add coated. Complex art add coated. Special paper or cover can add time. More finishes can add both cost and time. Order size also matters. A big order can spread setup cost. The smart way to control cost is simple. Keep the design clean, choose the right material early, look at finished plan early. Checking the foil color firstly, checking the shine, checking the edges, checking small text, checking line quality, checking position, checking result under normal light. Then ask one more question. Can this result stay the same in back order? A nice sample is not enough. A repeatable sample is the real goal. So these are the 10 must-know questions about foil stamping. Foil stamping can add real value to notebook, gift boxes, cards, planners, and many paper products. It can make a product look more premium. It can also bring more sample runs and more cost if the plan is weak. At Line Paper, we plan buyers review art, material, and finish before back order. We work on stationery, packaging, and lifestyle product. We focus on clean process, stable quality, and practical advice. If you have a project with gold foil, sleeve foil, or other foil colors, send us your art or your idea. We can help you checking the best way to make it. Please like, follow, and leave your questions in the comments. Tell us which process you want next. See you in the next video.